Hot Spring Spas is the premier spa brand in the Watkins Wellness family of hot tubs and aquatic fitness products. As the global leader, Hot Spring Spas are sold in more than 70 countries. The brand is known worldwide for building the best engineered quality spa that's made to last for decades. My name's Michael Cooper. Today we're in our Vista, California plant, home of Hot Spring Spas. We're going to take you on a tour. Let's go. This is our thermoforming room, the first stop in manufacturing of a hot spring spa. This is where we're going to take a sheet of plastic and form it into the shell that will ultimately become a hot spring spa. It's truly an amazing process. Take a look. Now that the shell has been formed, it's going to go through a rigorous inspection process. This is a traveler. I prefer it to be called a birth certificate, but this will stay with the spa from the minute it gets formed to the minute it leaves this factory. This will indicate all inspections and everything from start to finish on this hot tub so that you can be sure it's a quality product. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Every drill hole, everything that's cut, everything that's trimmed is all done by hand, by human touch. None of it is done by machine.
What I love about our employees is that they want to do the best because they're invested in it. They love what they're doing, they have a passion for what they do because they look at every product as it going to their own personal families. In fact, our quality statement is making the best better, and this is a company where people matter.
Hey, you guys want to hear something pretty cool? In an effort to be environmentally friendly, Watkins Wellness recycles almost all of its waste. Welcome to plumbing assembly. In my opinion, the most difficult job in the whole factory. Unlike a lot of places where a production line is the same model one after the other, in this factory, it's a different model one after the other. In this assembly line, these people here have to know what every spa is upside down and backwards in order to plumb these things exactly right every time. Very proud of these people. Great job.
Hot Spring is the leader in design in this hot tub industry. The Highlife NXT product is the perfect example of how we've done that. We've taken innovation from the plastic substructure to the wireless touchscreen control panel, all the way to the beautiful lines of the corners of the hot tub and the exterior lighting to give you the best hot tub experience that you can have.
We know what customers want in spas, and we know how important it is that every spa is perfect. We've built 1 million spas in this factory, and the ISO certification has helped to ensure consistency week after week, year after year. But it also provides the building blocks to make things even better, so that when you make a change, you make an improvement, those improvements stick, they last, they become part of the culture and part of the way we do things.
Each and every proprietary control box is updated with the latest and greatest software prior to being installed on the hot tub. This will ensure that you will always get the newest innovation that we have to offer. So we have our pumps in, our heaters are in, the electronic control box is in, the spa is filled up with water. The next step, let's test it all out, make sure everything's working properly. They're making sure that all the jets work, we can turn the diverters, the heaters are working, the circulation pump is working, the ozone is working. Yep, it's good. We're almost to the end of the line. This is final inspection. This is where we're going to check out all the fit and the finish, make sure everything is perfect, and just as a customer would want it when they unwrap it for their new hot spring spa. Thank you for touring our Hot Spring Spas manufacturing facility, home of the flagship NXT and Highlife Spas. We hope you learned a lot about how we put people and processes first to assure the absolute best hot tub ownership experience.